Hello everybody, this is your one and only MC, Mr. MSITA, spell me away, and you can call me short M6. The man, the year is finally here. It has come to an end. 366 days, I'm telling you, it hasn't been easy. But trust me, if you've been able to continue just remaining strong despite the obstacle that we as a nation has perhaps gone through, or you as an individual has perhaps gone through, then I have to say congratulations on that. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for logging into my channel. And just to let you know that this is the place where I'll be keeping you up to date with everything that is trending far and wide. This is the most interesting platform that you'll ever continue to want coming back in, on and on and on all the time. And to my subscribers, thank you for always maintaining the ground and letting me keep you up to date with everything that is trending within this platform. Now on this day, I know so many people are waiting to usher the new year in a style. I wonder where you're going to usher in your year. There are those who have chosen to go to the church, and there are those that have chosen to go out to do their partying, as a way of ushering in the new year. In whichever way that you want to usher in the new year is okay. But what matters most is that let's do it and let's protect ourselves, from anything that is harmful. As we usher in the new year, remember there are a lot of things that are happening around. And in the spiritual world, once you're going to begin something, you always need, to involve God in whatever you're doing. And to my fellow Christians who are out there, remember, we are getting into a new season. We are getting into a new place which we are really not aware about. So if you're getting into a new place that you're not aware about, then all that you need to do is to equip yourself, to armor yourself well, and to let God lead you the way. This year, the 2024 year, has been so much of a struggle. And with the Christmas that we were just away from, so many people just describe this Christmas to have been the most boring Christmas. And of course, because of the economy, most definitely you'll find people saying that it hasn't been the easiest. It hasn't been that way good. So as we are going to the new year, kindly as a Christian, ensure that you let God be at the forefront of everything. Because without Him, then how can you be able to make it through? It is Him that gives you life. It is Him that has given you all the energy. It is Him that has given you all the health that you're having, so that you can be able to usher in the new year 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the base, this is the place. So of course, look no other way. I'll be here keeping you up to date with everything that is trending, even as we usher in the new year 2025. And as usual, your one and only MC, your presenter, Mr. MSITA, spell me away. And if you can call me short M6, the man